Hi everyone! Today we have a space Montessori board to put together. We're going to go over numbers, shapes, and space objects. Let's start with our numbers. Here we have a bunch of colorful numbers and fish of the same color with numbers. Let's match them up to our board. First we have the number 1. Do you see the number 1? That's it. Here we have the blue number 1. Now let's find the blue fish with the number 1. That's right. There's the blue fish with the number 1. Next we have the number 2. Here's our number 2. Our number 2 is teal. Time to find the teal fish. There it is. Here's the teal fish with the number 2 on it. After 2, we have the number 3. What color 3 do you think we'll be looking for? Good job, purple. And here's our purple 3. So if we had a blue fish for number 1, a teal fish for number 2, then for number 3 we'll have a purple fish. Here's our purple fish with the number 3. Do you know what number comes after 3? You got it, 4. And here's our 4. Our 4 is green. Now we have 2 green fish. Which one of those has the number 4 on it? The lighter green or the darker green? Yes, the darker green. This fish has the number 4 and it's darker than our other green. So next we have 5, and that 5 is a lighter green. And here's our light green 5. We know where the light green fish was. The light green fish with the number 5. We're halfway through. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number comes after 5? Awesome, 6. But I don't see a 6. There's 7, 8, 9, 10, 9? That can't be right. We know one of these 9s is supposed to be our 6. Which one do you think it is? That's right. Our 9 is orange and our 6 is brown. Where is that brown 6? There it is. Here's our fish with the brown 6. Next is 7. What color do you think this 7 is? Ooh, yeah, it could be a magenta or a dark pink. Let's find the magenta fish with the number 7. Oh, there it is. There's our magenta fish with the number 7. There's only 1, 2, 3 numbers left. After 7, we have 8. And our 8 is a dark orange. It almost looks like a red orange. So if we did number 8, what number should our fish have? That's right, 8. And here's our red-orange fish with the number 8. Next is number 9. We remember number 9. It was orange. Ooh, uh-oh. Here's our orange 9. We only have 2 fish left. Which one has the number 9 on it? Great job! Here's our orange fish with the number 9. And our last number is number 10. What color is our 10? Gray, that's right. And here's our gray fish with the number 10. Next, we're going to work on our shapes. How many do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Our first shape is a circle. Do you see a circle? Circles are completely round, like a ball. Here's our circle, and our circle is blue. Next, we have a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Here's our teal triangle. Do you know what shape is next? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they're all the same length. That's called a square. Do you see a shape with 4 sides that are all the same length? This shape has 4 sides. Is it a square? No, because they're not all the same length. Here's our square, and our square is purple. Our next shape is a heart. What color is our heart shape? Green, that's right. Here's our green heart. The next shape is called a pentagram, but you might know it as a star. Here's our light green star, or pentagram. Do you know what the next shape is called? A hexagon. Good job! And hexagons have 6 sides. Here's our hexagon, and our hexagon is brown. Our next shape has 4 sides as well, but they're not the same length. This shape is called a trapezoid. Here's our magenta trapezoid, or our dark pink. Here's another shape with 4 sides. It's called a parallelogram. Here's our parallelogram. I think they look like kites or diamonds. Our last shape is called a sector, but you might know it as a wedge. Can you think of anything that's in the shape of a wedge? Maybe a slice of pie? Our sector is orange. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes left. These shapes we use when we're doing math. Our first shape is a plus sign. That's what you use when you're adding items together. And here's our plus sign. Our plus sign is blue. Next, we're going to find a minus sign. You use a minus sign when you're subtracting or taking away. And here's our minus sign. Our minus sign is teal. Next is our multiplication sign. This sign looks like an X. You'll use multiplication when you're adding in groups. And here's our multiplication sign. Next is our division sign. When you divide, it's like when you're minusing in groups. And here's our division sign. It's green. And our last sign is the equal sign. This is the sign you use at the end of your equation. And here's our equal sign. Our equal sign is brown. So our last few pieces are going to be about space. Here's our space objects. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 space objects. Our first one is the moon. Which one of these objects do you think is the moon? This could be difficult. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 planets. I think it's this one, because the moon has craters. Next, we're going to look for the planet Earth. Earth is the planet that we live on. Do you see the planet Earth? That's right, because Earth is mostly covered in water. Next, we're going to look for Jupiter. Which of these planets do you think is Jupiter? You got it, that's right. Here's Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Next, we're looking for Saturn. Here's Saturn. Saturn has rings around it. Next, we're going to look for the space station. Do you see a piece that looks like it would fit there? Perfect, that's it. Here's the space station. Now we're going to look for a UFO. UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. Here's our UFO. Now we're going to look for an artificial satellite. An artificial satellite is something that we put up in space, and it might help with checking weather or communication. Here's our artificial satellite. Nope. It goes this way. And our last one is a rocket ship. And here's our rocket ship. So we did our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we did shapes. Circle, triangle, square, heart, pentagram, hexagon, trapezoid, parallelogram, sector, plus, minus, multiplication, division, equals. And last, we did our space objects. Moon, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, space station, UFO, artificial satellite, and rocket ship. Thanks so much for putting together this Montessori board with me. I hope you had a good time. Bye-bye.